Hi, we're Matt and Zoe over at DSR, and today we are on the Tracer 9 GT Plus. Hello. And we're going to give our thoughts and opinions on a little two-up riding. Enjoy. Oh, no. I don't know what I hate more, the intro or trying to get onto a bike. Oh. Okay, the sound effects were not required.
If you want to see my full Tracer 9 GT Plus for 2024 review, I will leave a link to the video in the description box below. This video is purely our opinions on it two up. Obviously, I'll give my opinions as the rider, and Zoe will give hers as the opinion. Opinion. The pillion opinion.
The pillion opinion.
And we've only done this a few times because it seems to be something that actually isn't covered by a lot of reviewers. They don't have the capacity to do it two up.
And we're trying to get more views.
Obviously.
So we're trying to hit a niche. Is this our niche?
Yes. You just need to stop going to work so we can do it more.
Yay!
Now, one thing I wish this did have was hill hold control. We're in sport mode, but the engine is really smooth and the gear changes are nice and smooth as well. I'm using the quick shifter all the way through the rev range through the gears, as in from first and up. There's no nasty joltiness. Zoe's head isn't bashing into the back of me. Milak. I'll tell you what, that suspension did not appreciate that pothole.
Bloody well did not, nor did my arse.
We've got electronic suspension on this, but I've not actually had a little look to see if we can change the suspension to having two up. Because on other bikes with electronic, you can say, well, you got a one person, two people, and then and/or luggage. How's the comfort back there, darling?
I have to say, quite comfy. First impressions, I quite like this. Yeah, very comfortable.
Because on some seats, or some bikes, the rear pillion seat is quite small, almost to the point where, what's the point? Do you remember the Aprilia 2.0?
That was not a rear seat.
It was the equivalent of a thong.
We never tried. We didn't try and do two up on the
there's
Aprilia,
no point,
though, did we?
There's no point, though.
That would have ruined it for both of us.
A, the rear seat looked hideous, and B, as a rider, it was a very aggressive stance anyway. Might as well have been on a sports bike.
Now, I have to say, this is a ample seat for my derriere.
Now I know, because we've been on the BMW RT 1250 and that was very bouncy. I think potentially
the RT or the RS.
yeah, but we didn't actually change the suspension on that, and it was very kind of pogo-y and soft. Obviously we've got a bit of weight between us, mainly me.
There's a little stiff going over potholes,
yeah.
But otherwise
not pogo-y.
It's quite a very smooth ride. I feel very stable back here. I don't feel a need to grip hold of you. I'm just kind of... I feel like the angle of the seat means I'm holding my weight quite nicely. The pillion pegs are in a nice position. I'm not trying to... My feet aren't tucked up. But equally, my knees are quite relaxed around you again.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not feeling like you leaning on me, where it'd be like your legs are kind of pinned in.
No.
Like, there's none of that. As rider pillion comfort, like there's not much. There's no pressure from you on me. Like, I'm not trying to hold you up because of the angle of the seat or the bike or whatever.
I'd go as far as saying that this is one of the comfier two-up positions. Okay, well, I mean, that rather went through my
derriere,
my spine.
Yeah, so suspension is definitely something that we'd have to look at and tweak. So I've been a little bit more cautious on the road. It's about 4 degrees. It was snowing the other day.
It's been a lot of rain.
A lot of rain. Just taking it easy. What's nice is this does come with heated grips. Yes, please.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, yes.
Simpler. Lovely.
How's the grab handles?
Oh, I've just been trying to find them. Nestled under my arse, as per. From my perspective, the key things that I'm always looking for as a pillion. One, how easy is it to get on and off the bike? Getting on was actually pretty straightforward. Matt's nice and low on this bike, so he's not teetering anyway as I'm trying to balance my way on. I'll update you what it's like to get off. 2 is the actual comfort of the seat and the riding position. As I said, the way the seat's angled actually means I'm holding my own weight. My knees aren't clamped around Matt, and actual comfort is high.
Just cutting in, just mind your head. I never know how tall.
I've no idea. It seemed very low suddenly. The third thing is where I can hold on to. Obviously, I'm not having to hold on a huge amount because I'm quite stable back here. But if I needed to, the grab handles, as always, are kind of tucked under my arse. Not the easiest place to get hold of. And also, I just feel like wouldn't help me. Even if I had both hands free, I'm not sure it would keep me on the bike.
So,
yeah, I guess they're my 3, the main ones for me.
For reference, these are the bend in my knee, like I'm so flat-footed. Flat-footed.
Fatty-footed. Okay, here we go. Here's the test. Are you holding on tight, dear?
Yes.
Oh, very simple. Ooh.
Yes, there's a camera there.
Worthy.
From the rider's perspective, then the engine and the mapping is so smooth, it makes it easy to ride. So even in sport mode, the throttle is gentle. There's no jerkiness, which if you've got a jerky throttle with 2 up, it makes it a not very pleasant ride. And then as a rider, you're then trying to ride smoother to make it better for the pillion. But then it can take the fun out of riding. And the quick shifter is really smooth as well. So like I said, I've used it from first, second, third. You're not banging into me, which is nothing worse than getting the helmet like this.
No, very smooth ride. Apart from the potholes.
Yeah.
Apart from you getting on those drains in the inside. I don't know what that was about.
British roads.
Otherwise, very smooth.
Told you.
It becomes very
What's the
awkward
last time? I had the bloke come over and like, oh, you're doing bird watching. I had the priest walking around praying all the time.
You do
Luckily, this
bird watching.
This area is blessed now, so it's fine.
I'm going to go say it. I'm gonna
You go for it.
I am going to go and say it. I would recommend. It's quite a pleasant 2-up experience, this bike. I don't really like riding 2-up.
No.
I don't like handing over control. Matt does things I wouldn't do. Also, I'd rather have hands on the controls.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Friday night. Yeah.
Yeah, I can't really complain.
Yeah.
I'm high enough. I'm not, as you say, I'm not banging helmets, but also I can see adequately. Not over the top of you. I'm not bloody giant, but
Perched up there.
obviously the grips are completely useless to me. I mean, I assume if someone's got a smaller bottom, they can reach, but I just don't think I've got wide hips, but I'm not sure I've got the largest.
I always recommend getting love handles. The belt, not the food. I've got both. But yeah, if you ride pillion, you've never had them, love handles is a belt and it's just 2 handles. And then you can either put the belt on so the handles are to the rear or it's like the front quarters. It just means the pillion's got something to hold on to other than the grab handles underneath their bums or you as a rider. Worth looking into.
I mean, I wasn't really holding onto you a huge amount during that ride. You were just a guiding influence. I'm struggling here.
Oh, okay. Well, the brakes are nice and progressive as well. So from my perspective, when I'm getting on them, they're not super sharp. They're not diving us forward.
No.
Like, it's just overall, it's actually a really good 2-up ride. Like it's got the panniers, it's got the comfort for both rider and pillion.
I mean, I've not been on the GSA very much.
I've not been on my GSA, have you?
I know.
No, that's
I'm
one
sure
thing.
I've done it once.
You might have been on it, but we haven't done a 2-up video.
What I'm saying is, more comfortable ride, this one. Easy to get on and off, better seating position. Overall, a good 2-up experience.
From my perspective, just because I haven't played around with the suspension on the GSA, I know how to change the suspension and the ride height. So I could lower it into its lowest point when you're getting on and then rise it up. Rouse it up. Don't know the rest of the words.
I'm not sure they were the right words to begin with. Is that how it's done?
I don't know.
Isn't it rising up? What?
Rousing up. That's what I said.
I don't know. I'm questioning myself.
There's a reason I don't do karaoke. Not doing very well here, are we?
Well, actually, there's not a huge amount to talk about. What did we normally talk about with 2 Up? We've never done a sit down for 2 Up. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, thumbs up. Click.
You were doing so well.
Let me try again. I felt like I was stealing your thunder. Sorry.
Hang on. Action. Next year, we're going to try and do some more of these kind of 2 Up style videos. Because there's so many touring bikes and 2 Up bikes. Yeah, you don't know about it, but we are. But like I said, no one really talks about how the bikes are 2 Up. No one does that stuff.
We're that niche. So subscribe. And on that note, thank you very much for watching. As I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like it. If you don't like it, still subscribe. Help us out.
Help a brother out.
Help a brother and a sister. That would be weird.
So I didn't say it.
Wise.
Anyway, nothing else to say, but until the next one, ride safe. Just going to cut you off there because you want to keep waffling.
I don't know. Do you say something else at the end? I've not watched a video for a while. I'm so sorry.
Never watched any.
That's not true.
That's why
That's
I
not
absolutely
true.
slate you on them.
That's not true. That's not true.
When was the last? What was the last video you watched?
I read Mart's comments on the video to figure out if I need to watch it or not. Mart is my guider. Because
Mark
I figured...
doesn't know anything. He rides a Triumph.
Well, no, but I figured
sick
that
in the
if
head.
you said something mean about me or said something controversial at all, Mart would make reference to it and therefore I would watch it.
Well, either Mark or the other lycra wearing wankers.
It's not a lycra wearing.
Well, he's a mountain biker.
Did you see how expensive those little bib shorts were in Yamaha?
No.
£70 to look like a Doofenshmirtz.
They do it all by themselves. They don't need extra. Right, should do it.
Let's go get me donuts.